Cool cars, Moby. You've got a big collection. How many do you have? How do you count on 1 to add? When you add, you join groups or numbers together to find the total. Let's see. You have 1, 2, 3 blue cars. You add 1 pink car to the group. So we can start with 3 and count on 1 to get 4. Let's see. You have 6 green cars and 1 red fire truck. You can use a number line to help you add. You start with 6 and count on 1 more to get 7. When you count on 1, you count up 1 more. How do you count on 2 to add? You have 7 white cars and 2 orange tractors. You start with 7 and count on 2 more. 8, 9. There are 9 altogether. You can write a number sentence to show how you added the groups. You have a group of 7 white cars and a group of 2 orange tractors. The plus sign tells to add the groups together. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now you have 8 silver cars and 2 motorcycles. You start with 8 and count on 2 more to get 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Altogether, you have 10. The sum is the answer to an addition problem, or how many you have in all. The sum of 8 plus 2 is 10. You can add the groups together in a different order and still get the same total. Well, you can add the motorcycles to the cars, or add the cars to the motorcycles. Either way, the sum is still 10. How do you count on 3 to add? You have 9 vans and 3 dump trucks. How many do you have in all? Start with 9 and count on 3 to get to 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. When you add, it helps to start with the larger number and then count on the smaller number. Well, it takes more time to start at 3 and count on 9. Sometimes you add nothing. How do you count on 0? When you add 0, you do not add anything. Here are 5 buses. Do you have more to add? So, you add 0. You still have 5 buses. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. You can write the number sentence up and down too. You'll still get the same answer. I think there are no more cars left, Moby. No, wait, I found some. You started with 0 cars, but I gave you 3, so now you have 3 cars. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. You've got a great collection, Moby. Moby? What is the cutest unit of volume? A quart. It's a cutie. What is 8 plus 2? You can start at 8 and count on 2. Right, Moby. The sum is 10. 10. That's today's secret number. What are ways to make 10? There are different combinations of numbers that make 10. Let's see. I start with 0, but if I add 10 counting cubes, I'll have a total of 10. I can write an addition sentence to show what happened. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. I have 1 cube, and I can add on 9 more to make 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Now I have 2 cubes, and I can add on 8 more to make 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. There are 3 cubes, and I can add on 7 more to make 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. I have 4 cubes, and I can add on 6 more to make 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now there are 5 cubes. I can add on 5 more to make 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That's a doubles fact. Let's see. There are 6 cubes, so I can add 4 more to make 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. I have 7 cubes, and I can add on 3 more to make 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now I see 8 cubes, and I can add on 2 more to make 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. I've got 9 cubes, and I can add on 1 cube to make 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now I have 10 cubes. Since I already have 10 cubes, I don't have to add more to get 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Hey, I see a pattern. When one addend goes up by 1, the other goes down by 1. How can knowing combinations of 10 help you to add? When I first learned to add, I counted on my fingers and used counters. When I learned the combinations of 10, I could add a lot faster. Yeah, there are a lot of ways to make 10, but you only have to remember half of them. A lot of number sentences use the same numbers. So, if you know 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, then you know 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. When you memorize ways to make 10, you can solve some tricky number sentences quickly. What's the missing number? Right, 6 and 4 make a 10. I know the missing number is 7 because 7 and 3 make 10. How can knowing combinations of 10 help you subtract? A fact family is a set of facts that uses the same numbers. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. They're a part of the same fact family. You can use the addition sentences to help you subtract. Well, I have 10 counting cubes in all, but if I take off 1, I have 9 left. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If I start with 10 counting cubes and take away 9, I'll have 1 left. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. The subtraction sentences are part of the same fact family. You can use a number triangle to help you understand related facts. It's useful to know the different ways to make 10. I use flashcards to help me remember them. What do you do, Moby? Good idea! You made up a song. How many seconds are in a year? 12. January 2nd, February 2nd, March 2nd.